Get ready to give your keys and your backpack a total glow up with accessories that are 100% you.
So let's be real for a sec. You look at your backpack, you look at your keys, and they're just kind of there, right? They do the job, but like, where's the personality? Where's the vibe? I think it's time for an upgrade.
And this is where the magic happens. DIY keychains are literally your secret weapon for adding a pop of your own personal style. It's like the easiest way to make a statement without even saying a word.
And I mean, they are so cute. We're talking about making these little pieces of art that you can carry around with you everywhere you go. This is your chance to really show off your unique aesthetic and what you're all about. And seriously, don't even worry if you're thinking, oh, but I'm not crafty. I promise you these projects are so fun and totally doable, even if you've never DIY'd anything in your entire life. It's all about just having a good time with it.
The best part is that this is your creative journey. Every little charm, every color, every single bead is a little piece of you. So let's get started and make some magic happen.
First up, we're stepping into the world of moldable magic with clay and resin. You guys, these materials are incredible because you can literally shape them into anything you can possibly imagine.
How adorable is this idea? With just a little polymer clay, you can mold the absolute cutest tiny fruits, like little watermelons and pineapples, or even sweet little donuts and candy hearts. I mean, they look good enough to eat, but please don't.
Okay, let's get personal. You can shape little clay cubes, paint them your favorite colors, and then add letters to spell out your name, your bestie's name, or just a word that makes you happy. It's a total classic for a reason.
Now for something really sentimental, you can press your thumbprint right into a piece of clay and then bake it. It creates this completely one-of-a-kind personal keepsake. Maybe add a little tassel and you have the perfect heartfelt charm. If you love that super glossy, polished look, resin is gonna be your best friend. You can embed a letter for your initial, throw in some glitter, maybe even some tiny dried flowers, and seal it all up. The result is this super durable, professional-looking charm that just sparkles.
Okay, next up, let's get into the world of cozy textures. If you're all about those soft, colorful, and super tactile vibes, you are going to love playing with beads, yarn, and pom-poms.
This is such a fun and almost like meditative project. You just string colorful silicone beads or natural wood or even pretty gemstone beads onto a cord to create an amazing pattern. You can mix and match all the textures and colors till you find your perfect combo.
I mean, who doesn't love a giant, fluffy pom-pom? They are so easy to make with just some yarn and your hands, or a pom-pom maker if you want it to be, perfectly round. They add such a fun, playful texture to any keychain stack. And speaking of yarn, these wrapped rainbows are a huge trend right now, and it is so easy to see why. Making them is super relaxing, and they are just a really cute, boho chic way to add a whole spectrum of color to your look. All right, let's check out our final category, the world of unique treasures. This is where we get really, really creative with personalization and even upcycle things you might already have lying around. Okay, this is such a cool way to capture a moment in time. You can use that special shrinking plastic you might notice Shrinky Dinks. You just trace a handprint, color it in, and then watch it magically shrink in the oven into a tiny, durable plastic charm. It's so cool! For more of a rustic, natural vibe, try painting on small wood slices. You could do a simple monogram with your initial, maybe a tiny floral design, or really anything that feels like you. It's so simple, but so chic and beautiful. Okay, this is a total game changer. What if your next favorite charm is something you already own? It's time to think outside the box and look at all those everyday items in a completely new way. So here's a pro tip that is all over social media right now. You can add a little bit of hardware to a mini lip gloss or a tiny collectible figurine and instantly turn it into a keychain. It's quirky, it's unexpected, and it is so, so cool. So, are you feeling inspired? Awesome. Now let's get you all set up for success by putting together your creator toolkit. And I promise, it's way simpler than it sounds. Okay, these are basically the essentials that are going to bring all your amazing creations together. You'll need some needle nose pliers for assembly, some jump rings to connect everything, and eye pins to turn your beads into charms. Then, of course, you need the key rings and clasps, and maybe a sealant to make your art last forever. That's pretty much it.
So before you start creating, let's do a quick vibe check. What's your style? Are you cute and kawaii with tiny food charms? Are you more boho and natural with wood and yarn? Maybe chic and personalized with monograms? Or totally fun and quirky with upcycled figurines?
To help you figure it out, just think about texture. Do you love things that are soft and fluffy, like yarn pom-poms? Or are you drawn to things that are sleek and shiny, like a polished resin charm? Remember, there's no wrong answer. It's all about your style.
And that brings us to the end. You've seen all the ideas, you know what tools you need, and you've officially checked your vibe. The only question left is the most exciting one of all. What amazing thing are you going to create first?